Welcome to 321 Legend Oaks Drive. This adorable 3-bedroom, 2 full bath home with a covered front porch, 1-car garage, and fenced backyard, as well as tile flooring in the kitchen and bathrooms inside. It's located in the Legend Oaks at Summit Ridge neighborhood in Northeast Columbia, just a few minutes from Sandhills dining and shopping. Also convenient to I-20 and I-77, as well as Fort Jackson and other Northeast amenities. So we're out front. You can see you have a 1-car garage. The driveway is 2 cars wide, so it does allow for a second vehicle to be parked and not block access to the garage, which is a nice feature. You have a very nice covered front porch along the front of the home as well. You can see you have some nice ceiling fans out there. Sort of runs along the front, along both sides of the door. We'll step inside into the living room. And you can see the main living space has vaulted ceilings. You have a ceiling fan in the living room, in the kitchen and dining there on your left. But a nice sized living room here, as well as the big window out to the front porch. And then a nice sized dining area. Again, the ceramic tile floors, as we mentioned, in the kitchen. And along the edge of the kitchen counter there, you have a nice overhang where you can set some bar stools. And included appliances are side-by-side refrigerator, dishwasher, and and electric range. And you can see the top of the kitchen sort of open to the living space. This door at the back end of the kitchen accesses the garage. And we can get some more light in there for you. You'll see you have a medium or small size SUV parked inside the garage. It does have a second door here out back to the backyard. Trying to get that light pre-adjusted for you so I don't blind you on the way out. But you can see out back, it's a nice size fenced backyard, pretty basic, and you also have a nice storage shed back there. Could be used as a workshop possibly in the back corner. So coming back inside, just bear with me on the light here. Alright, so now we can see again. We'll take a look at the bedrooms and bathrooms down the hall off the living room. You have an attic pull down here. Hall bathroom, it's a full bath, and a single vanity and countertop, and a shower and tub. Also in the hall you have your laundry closet behind the bifold doors. Right across the hall, another bedroom with a ceiling fan. You have the closet in the corner, and that does go back a little ways behind the door frame. And then right next door here you have a linen closet, your second bedroom. Ceiling fan in here as well, and the closet on that opposite wall. And then last but not least, your master suite. You have a walk-in, smaller walk-in in here. And then your full bathroom, as you can see, the single vanity, you have a garden tub and shower, and those tile floors in here as well, and just the globe strip lighting above the sink. So that completes our tour of this home, 321 Legend Oaks Drive in Northeast Columbia. You can find more information online at turnerproperties.com.